Welcome to Easy English Learning. At Easy English Learning, we help you improve your English skills in a fun and simple way. Just like how we break down important stories from history, like the life of Adolf Hitler, we aim to make learning English easy to understand and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or want to take your skills to the next level, our lessons are designed to help you learn grammar, vocabulary, and speaking in a way that feels natural. We explore real-life stories, share simple explanations, and guide you on your journey to mastering English. Start learning with us today. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20, 1889, in Braunau am Inn, Austria. His father, Alois Hitler, was a customs official, and his mother, Clara, was a kind and caring woman. Adolf was one of 6 children, but many of his siblings died young. This left him very close to his mother. As a child, Hitler was an average student. He loved drawing and wanted to become an artist. However, his father had other plans. Alois wanted Adolf to work in government, but Adolf did not enjoy school or studying. He preferred spending time dreaming about becoming famous and successful. When Hitler was 13, his father died suddenly. This gave him more freedom to pursue his interests. However, his life took a tragic turn when his mother passed away from cancer when he was 18. Adolf was devastated. After his mother's death, Hitler moved to Vienna, the capital of Austria, to follow his dream of becoming an artist. He applied to the Academy of Fine Arts twice but was rejected both times. The school told him that his drawings were not good enough, which deeply hurt him. Without a job or money, Hitler struggled to survive. He lived in shelters for the homeless and earned a small income by painting postcards and doing odd jobs. During this time, he began to develop strong political ideas. He read many books and started blaming certain groups, especially Jewish people, for his problems and Austria's difficulties. Hitler also believed in the idea of nationalism. He thought that Germans were the best and strongest people in the world. This belief would later shape his political ideas and actions. In 1914, World War I began. Hitler joined the German army and felt proud to serve his country. He fought bravely and was even awarded medals for his courage. However, Germany lost the war in 1918, and this defeat deeply angered Hitler. The Treaty of Versailles, signed after the war, punished Germany harshly. It forced Germany to pay large amounts of money, give up land, and reduce its army. Hitler and many other Germans felt humiliated. This anger made Hitler determined to change Germany's future. After the war, Hitler stayed in Germany and joined a small political group called the German Workers' Party. This party believed in nationalism and wanted to make Germany strong again. Hitler quickly became the leader of the group because of his powerful speaking skills. He renamed it the National Socialist German Workers' Party, or the Nazi Party. The Nazi Party attracted many people who were angry about Germany's defeat in the war and the country's economic problems. Hitler promised to rebuild Germany, restore its pride, and punish those he blamed for its troubles, especially Jews and communists. In 1923, Hitler and his followers tried to take over the German government in an event called the Beer Hall Putsch. They marched through the streets of Munich, but the attempt failed. Hitler was arrested and sent to prison for 9 months. While in prison, Hitler wrote a book called Mein Kampf, My Struggle. In this book, he explained his beliefs and plans for Germany. He wrote about his hatred for Jews and his dream of creating a German empire. The book became popular among his supporters. After his release from prison, Hitler worked to rebuild the Nazi Party. Germany was going through tough times, with high unemployment and poverty. Many Germans felt hopeless and started looking for strong leaders to solve their problems. Hitler promised jobs, a better economy, and a return to Germany's greatness. In 1933, Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany, one of the most powerful positions in the government. Once in power, he quickly turned Germany into a dictatorship. He banned other political parties, controlled the media, and used violence to silence his enemies. In 1939, Hitler invaded Poland, starting World War II. His goal was to create a large German empire. During the war, Germany conquered many countries, including France, Norway, and parts of the Soviet Union. Hitler believed in racial superiority and wanted to create a pure German race. He blamed Jews, Romani people, and others for Germany's problems. This led to the Holocaust, where millions of innocent people were killed in concentration camps. By 1944, Germany began losing the war. The Allies, including the United States, the Soviet Union, and the United Kingdom, were closing in on Germany from all sides. In April 1945, Soviet forces surrounded Berlin, Germany's capital. Realizing that the war was lost, Hitler retreated to a bunker underground. On April 30, 1945, he took his own life. A few days later, Germany surrendered, ending the war in Europe. The story of Adolf Hitler offers many lessons on the importance of critical thinking, tolerance, and the dangers of unchecked power and hatred. It reminds us to protect democracy, value diversity, and work toward peace in the world. Thank you for watching today's lesson on the life of Adolf Hitler. I hope this story helped you understand history better while improving your English skills. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Learning for more lessons. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.